If you had to make a noise, you know how they got the sleeping sounds and everything, right?
Sleeping sound.
If you had to make a noise that came out your mouth, pause, of a sleeping sound, something somebody could go to sleep to,
Oh, okay.
what would it be?
Oh, something that people could go to sleep to.
Yeah. What would it be? Drip check. We brought the lugs back out. Okay. You went from the off-whites, the off-white drip, to these. Man, can't nobody tell you don't switch it up.
On God. On God.
Oh.
Yeah,
He check. Oh. We going up there. Yeezy sponsor me. These like the best shoes to hike with because they're comfortable, nice grip on the bottom. You know what I mean? No slipperage. I could really, real life, run up this mountain. You see that? Yeezy. Sponsor me. Please. Okay, we good, we good. I'm doing this for y'all too. A lot of y'all need to get up and work out. A lot of y'all overweight. Some of y'all just don't work out. But guess what? Jay gonna get his in every day. You know what I mean? I'm body shaming right now.
Oh, you body shaming?
No, I ain't body shaming. Let me stop. As y'all can see, somebody's been here before. All the markings and everything. But it doesn't look like human writings, does it? Yeah, that's not paint. Paint would have came right off.
What's going on?
Well, we gotta try to decipher this. What does it say?
It says, looks like a 9, but.
Does it? Or can that be some other form of being that we don't know about?
Yeah, it looks like a 9.
Hear me out, hear me out. This is the head. This could be some kind of body of some sort.
Yeah.
This could be some kind of arm of some sort.
Yeah.
But I never seen an arm on the back.
Or armor.
Or armor. And I never seen an arm this long. It comes up, goes back down. So, we gotta be real careful over here. We don't know what's over. We don't know what's up here. But look.
See the darkness? See the light? And she get her workout in. She's still going. You see?
She ain't come out here to play no games.
So she didn't.
If you had to make a noise, you know how they got the sleeping sounds and everything, right?
Sleeping sound.
If you had to make a noise that came out your mouth, pause, of a sleeping sound, something somebody could go to sleep to,
Oh, okay.
what would it be?
Oh, something that people could go to sleep to.
Yeah. What would it be?
But it gotta be like you gotta
Do that
say,
one more time.
So it's gotta
Hold
be
on. Somebody might watch this and want to go to sleep.
It's
Do it
got-
one more time.
it's gotta be a snorkel, right? With a whistle at the end, so it's gotta be.
I ain't gonna lie, that's fire.
I'm trying to get it, but yeah.
I might go to sleep today. It is like parkour. Hey, y'all do me a favor. Do me a favor. Thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thumbs up if you like them sleeping sounds and you might try them out. Do that too. See, the thing about this is Say what you want.
Dog poop, man.
No, that ain't the type of poop I was looking at over there. I don't know if I trust this side. It's a lot more trees and stuff over here.
Because we ain't got to the rocks yet.
We gotta go over there.
Yeah, come on.
All right, man. All right. Might be my first and last time doing this one. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm scared of snakes. Y'all should already know that. You know my head's on a swivel. The moment I see one, the moment I see something move like a snake, I'm up.
It's gonna look like, what's that, Manhattan Island?
When you can't call it quits.
Is that how Manhattan Island look like?
No.
Some shit like
Manhattan Island. No. I don't even know where Manhattan Island is.
You know.
Talking about Manhattan?
Yeah, Manhattan, the whole island.
Nah.
It's got Brooklyn, the whole New York, basically, right?
Yeah, I guess.
It's like way bigger.
Is New York an island?
Yeah, that looks
I
like
wouldn't
Central
know.
Park. How about that?
I don't know too much about New York, man. Even though that's where I'm from. 'Cause I didn't know that New York was an island. If it is an island, I didn't know
New
that.
York's not an island, huh?
I don't know. It could be. A lot of water around it. I don't know. I'm going the right way? Slip and fall. Catch you lacking. Never trapping.
Never going outside.
Never going outside. Never going out mad. They said they only accept cash. So I just walked away and dabbed.
I want it to look like I'm bald head.
I want it to look like he bald head. I ain't got no bars for that one. Bald head. Rhyme something with bald head.
All bread.
All bread.
Or black bread. It's bald head.
Bald head.
Black and red, bald head.
All dead.
Yep. Brain dead, bald head.
Brain dead, bald head. Brain
Kinda.
dead.
Not really.
No.
What you want me to rhyme with? Bald head?
Rhyme something with Southwest. Southwest. That's the Southwest.
Southwest ice chest. Yeah, Southwest ice chest.
I don't know. We got it rhyme with Southwest.
I mean, the first part don't rhyme with South, but chest rhymes with West.
Like if you do Southwest, mouse bread.
That's super rhyme.
Couch crest.
Southwest couch crest. Southwest mouse breath. Couch chest. Is that what you said?
Couch crest.
Couch crest.
You gotta put it all in a rhyme now, though. You gotta have bars with it, though.
In between, right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to make it. That's why I said ice chest. But, yeah, that shit a little spooky.
Spooky. Dookie. Kooky.
Poopy.
Pooty.
Tootsie.
Pie.
Tootsie.
Pooty pie. Tootsie. Susie.
Stussy.
Stewie.
Pooey.
Gooey. Louis.
Can't say Ricky.
Movie. Zoovie. Groovy.
Almost something.
Loosely. Loose leaf. Poogie. Rugy. Coochie.
Doomy.
Gucci. Lose me. Boonies.
Fooey.
Fooey. Fuji.
Chewy.
Chewy.
loose leaf. Did you say that?
I said loose leaf.
Yeah, loose